Good morning, dear students. I am very happy to meet with you all, and I wish that you will also happy too. With the abundance of blessing and good wish, I am here to teach you maths. First, let me introduce myself. I am Aradhna, and I am your maths teacher. So, let's begin. Dear students, today I will teach you about ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means numbers when arranged from smallest to largest are said to be in ascending order. Ascending order means for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Take one more example 74, 47, 18 and 92. If we arrange this number in ascending order, what you have to do? First, write which is smallest number in this series? 18. Okay? 18 is the smallest number in this series. First, write 18, then 47, 74 and 92. Okay? Dear students, look at page number 8. In page number 8, there is one question given. Write in ascending order. Okay, students? First, write in ascending order. We already know that what is ascending order. Let's do question number A. In question number A, (74), (47), (18) and 92 is given. First we write a small digit, okay? Which is a small digit? 18. 18, 47, 74, 74 and 92. Like this you can arrange number in ascending order. Do question number B also. In B number, if there is 81, 84, 55 and 27. When we arrange this number in ascending order, first we write 27, 55, 81 and 84. Let's do question number C also. C number. If there is 12, 44, 51 and 15 given. When we arrange this, first we have to write small digit. Which is small digit in this series? 12. Okay? Write 12. then 15, then 54, 44, and in last there is 51, like this. Okay. Our second topic is what is descending order. Okay students, what is descending order? Descending order means the biggest number will come first and then the series will continue. So, now let arrange this number in descending order. If there is 35, 64, 7, 29, 16 and 5. Okay. Tell me student, which is biggest number from these numbers? Sixty-four. 64 is biggest number in this series. First we have to write 64. Okay. 64, then 35, then 29, 16, 7 and 5. Like this you can arrange in descending order. First number is largest number and in last small digit. Okay students. So students, look at page number 8. Write in descending order. In question number A, if there is 35, 41, 17 and 52. If we arrange this number in descending order, first we have to write which is greatest number in this series. Okay? Then let's do this activity also. Let's arrange this number in descending order. If we arrange this number in descending order, first we have to write largest number. Which is largest number in this series? 52. Okay? 52. Then 41. Then 33 and 17 is smallest digit in this series. Like this you can do next question also. In B number, if there is 66, 11, 76 and 82, which is largest number? 82. Okay, 82, then 76, then 66 and in last 11. 11 is a smallest number. Okay, 82 is largest and in last 11 is smallest. We already know that in descending order means the biggest number come first and the series will continue. Like this, which is, if there is 82, then you have to write which is 76, then 66, then 11. Like this descending order. Let's do question number C also. Like this. If there is 57, 75, 15 and 51. If we arrange this number in descending order, first we have to write largest number. Which is largest number in this series? 71. 71. Then which is 57. 57. Then 51. And in last small digit is 15. Like this we can arrange in descending order. I hope you will understand about what is ascending order and descending order. In next class I will teach you about number beyond 100. So students, goodbye to all and thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.